Creating multiple collection pages on Shopify allows you to organize your products into different categories, making it easier for customers to navigate your store. Here's how you can do it. Log into Shopify. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Navigate to Collections. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the Product section and then click on Collections. Create Collection. Click on the Create Collection button to start creating a new collection page. Add collection details. Provide details for your new collection, including the title, description, and collection image. These details will help customers understand what the collection is about. Set collection conditions. Specify the conditions that products must meet to be included in the collection. You can choose to manually select products, set conditions based on product tags, types, or vendors, or create automated collections based on specific criteria. Save collection. Once you've configured the collection settings and added products, click on the Save button to save your new collection page. Repeat steps. If you want to create multiple collection pages, repeat the above steps for each new collection you wish to add to your store. Customize collection pages. Customize the appearance and layout of your collection pages to align with your store's branding and design aesthetic using Shopify's built-in customization options or by editing the theme's code.